Hey, why do you keep overpacking? Stop, especially when you're going on a short trip. I'm going to show you how to do it. This is everything you're going to need for a 5-day trip, including shoes. And it's all going to fit into a carry-on bag. Hey everybody, it's Sean Mooney and I'm getting ready to go on a 5-day trip, and I'm going to show you how to pack to cover every situation apparel-wise that you may be planning. You're going to have it all, and it's all going to fit into a nice small bag, and you're going to travel light. Here we go. Now I'm going to a beach area, but it could be a resort that you're going to. Maybe it's not the beach. Let's just say they have a pool. It doesn't matter. Nice weather. A couple of t-shirts. One white and some other color. See, you get some variance there, and you can wear it with just about everything. 2 pairs of shorts, that's going to cover you for the whole 5 days, and some athletic shorts because you want to get a little exercise in. So with that, you're going to have your sports socks. Also, got to have your underwear, chonies as they call them, have enough for the trip. 1 pair of dress socks that you're going to wear. Now, I mentioned those dress socks or the long socks because you may be wanting to go out to dinner while you're there, and you're going to want to look nice. So, got you covered there as well. This is a nice casual shirt. It's an untuck it, not plug in and untuck it, but whatever shirt you like to wear that's nice and casual but also looks dressy. And a pair of slacks that look dressy and casual as well. These are the Lululemons, the ABC pants, the anti-ball crushers, but whatever you like, but you want it to be casual and can still be dressy. Now, no matter where you're going, it might be cool at night, and I love this. It's just a pullover with a zipper on it, but if it gets cool, you've got something to put on. And also for, when you go out during the day, you don't want to have to get the shower done, you want to run out for a cup of coffee, make sure you got a hat with you. You can wear that at the beaches too. And your kit. That kit goes in there. That's another video. But you want to make sure you bring all your toiletries. We'll talk about that at another time. Now let's talk shoes, because they can take up a lot of room in your suitcase. So you want to be able to bring a few pairs that's going to cover you all the way around. And I definitely have you covered right now. Take a look. These are the perfect shoes to bring along because they can be dressy and casual. These are my Johnston & Murphy's slip-on loafers. Not plugging the company, folks. I'm just telling you what I wear. You want to get in a little exercise, so I got my New Balance there and also a pair of flip-flops. That's it, see? Dressy, casual, and workout flip-flops. Oh, and don't forget a belt. How many times have you done that? Put it in the bag, put it in first, then you're not going to forget it. Now remember, I said it was all going to fit into a carry-on bag. This is my favorite bag. It is a Travel Pro. It's the same one you see all the flight attendants carrying around, and it has worked really well for me. Been on a lot of trips. So what do you say? Let's get packed. So there you have it, everything you need for a 5-day trip, and you won't be left wondering, why in the world did I pack all this stuff? I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and crush that like button. If you've got other topics you'd like me to cover, please let me know down in the comments section. In the meantime, thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you next time.